There is a dust storm preceding a thunderstorm here in Phillips County, Arkansas.
Tornado.
And that would be something.
A nader.
It's a nader.
It's a nader.
Oh wow. Oh hey, look over here, ain't it? You see it? Wow, look at the wind kicking up.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Heck yeah, I see that.
That's dust. Oh, I hope I don't lose my hat. Oh, look at it. Here it comes. You feel that temperature dropping?
Yes.
Oh, look. We might have to run in. Oh, look at that. Dust blowing. Oh, we finna get... Oh, here, dust storm. Third dust storm in Arkansas. Look at that.
Almost right above us.
Oh, look at it. Yeah. That is dust.
Ow. We in trouble now.
Oh, look at it. You can't even see the buildings over there. I don't know. I didn't get anything for a thunderstorm or tornado watch, did you? Oh, look at it spinning though. Was that birds? Looked like birds was caught up over there.
I mean, that's a wall right there.
Uh-huh. Oh. Oh, where's my hat? Dang it. Where's my fedora? Oh, man. Look at that wind kick. Look at that dust. Who turned out the lights? Oh. The clouds up there. Ooh, feel that breeze dropping?
I'm not complaining.
Oh, it feels good, I know. Man.
Look how green it is.
That's a dust storm.
That's the dust, yeah. I got a good video of it as it was that over there as that was coming straight across us, across the buildings there. Dust
Really
storm.
see the buildings.
Oh. Yeah. The temperature's dropping. Dust storm. Little one.
There's no rotation.
Nope. I like it breeze feeling nice. And now you can see how dark it is.
Wall clouds. Wall clouds.
Mhm. Yeah. The trees are swaying. Oh. The trees is blowing. Oh.
Oh man, that tree's nasty.
Yeah. What?
There's no limbs that fit the wall. What is that?
Oh wow. Sort of. Oh. Is that your it's not something you put flowers in, is it?
No.
Look at that color. Looks ominous. It's ominous. I don't know what it means, but it looks ominous. Oh, the lights done kicked on. Whoa! Man, timber. Watch these branches. Ah!